Hello everybody. We have completed 33 years of our journey in the field of school education. The school in the year 1991 had begun catering to students for the pre-primary section. With the encouragement of the parents, the school forayed into the primary and the secondary section since the year 2001 as Stepping Stone School High. And since then, a journey of success, a journey of development has continued. Myself, Tanushree Roy, in the capacity of the school headmistress, with a team of very able teachers who are trained to bring about a holistic development in the students, are dedicated to provide a second home to our children here. The children love the ambience given to them, and we ensure that they train themselves, develop themselves in such a manner that they are able to take up any challenges that they face in their later life. And we hope that we will be able to give them a fulfilling environment.
We students remembered our teachers, but it's such a pleasure now when teachers recognize you and with the same smile, with the same, gladness in their eyes.
My experience at this school was transformative, and the support that I got from my teachers was incredible.
I was able to grow up not just academically, but also socially and creatively. But most importantly, I was able to grow up as a person here.
So just after my class 12 boards got over, I started with my CA journey. Frankly speaking, at that time also wasn't very sure which subject, whether I should start with CA or CS or CMA. There are a lot of options even after that. So you need to just research about things, and you need to talk to your seniors, your friends who are doing that, who are doing good in that career, who are already studying. You need to just talk to them, take their experiences, and you just need to then think whether you like that thing or not. And that is how that is how I started my CA journey. I looked forward to my seniors. I asked them how it goes on, what is the life, how is the life, what is the work, and how are the studies, is that very difficult or something. And that is how I started with my CA journey.
I understand everyone, can't open up easily as well. People here are obviously they want to ask something, but they're too shy to, step up and do. I totally get that. But try to overcome bit by bit, because this environment, this set of experience which you have of the teachers here now, it's unparalleled. And try to take advantage of that. No matter, I know it's very scary. Roy ma'am se baat karna padega. Taposhi ma'am se baat karna padega. It's very scary, very intimidating. But you have to open up little by little. And you will realize when you start opening up now, they will be so welcoming, they will be so hospitable to you that you will want to talk to them even more.